Snores On. Written by Carmel Wilson. Illustrated by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in a deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. Sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. A itty-bitty mouse, tip-toe, creep-crawl in the cave, from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. He lights weed twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop, the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in.
"Ho, Mouse,"
says Hare.
"Long time no see."
So they pop white corn, and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, we slurp. Hare burps, big burps. The bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts. Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up. Cozy now and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven fluttering through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a charm!" twitters wren, and everybody clusters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear
Achoo!
He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. But bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. He growls and rumbles.
"You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I've had none."
And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see? Leaving shore. Behind a boar mighty. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Dyer can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end.